Hi, I'm Kate and I'm inside the Year 7 social area. It's only the first day and you can already feel the buzz of excitement as the Year 6s try new things and make new friends. We asked them what they were excited about.
I get to meet loads of different people and do loads of new sports and go in all the facilities and stuff.
I'm excited about taking part in the activities and making new friends. Joining in with all the activity things, what we're doing, and making lots of new friends.
Maths and art. Having new friends, joining all the sports activities and then doing design and technology.
I'm excited to try out the PE lessons because it's like a range of sports and like at our school at the moment.
I'm looking forward to do rugby and PE and football because I play rugby for a rugby team, so we're looking forward to that. And maths as well.
What subjects most about it?
I'm looking forward to English, maths and ICT.
I'm looking forward to sports and PE because I want to get stuck in and meet new people.
So there you have it. The new Year 7s are raring to go and spend the next 5 years at St Mary's College. I'm Kate reporting for Transition TV.